Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Pinalakpakan ng mga manonood at lahat ng mga audience on live ang napakamapusong sagutan ni Miss CJ Opiaza ng Zambales sa kanilang casual interview in the top 10 semi-finalists ng Miss Grand Philippines 2024. Panoorin po natin ang kanyang Q&A casual interview.
With your experience as a model, host, dancer, pasarela trainer, and pageant veteran, you've worn many different crowns. How has each role shaped you into the person that we see today? And what keeps you coming back to the world of pageantry?
I would say that I am a multifaceted woman, and for the very purpose that I am doing this for my family. As a breadwinner, a pasarela coach, and all those hats that I wear, what keeps me determined is, of course, my very heart goes to my family and the people who is behind me, who supporting me all throughout my journey. I wouldn't be able to be standing here today without all of you. So I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you, that I am very much grateful to have your hands and your ears and help me to get through life. Thank you so much, and I hope this story of mine would be an inspiration to everyone who's listening to me right now.
Thank you, congratulations,
Thank you, CJ.
and hi to your family, siguro. Okay.
Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at maraming salamat din sa pagpindot ng subscribe button. Magkita po tayong muli sa susunod na video.